Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today I'm doing Snoop Dogg's Billionaire bacon. I have a special bacon rack that I got on Amazon, so I'm using that. But I'm taking a half cup of brown sugar and adding a teaspoon of red pepper and a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. And I'm going to mix that together. And then you'll want a package of thick cut bacon. So I have that all lined out on my rack. And then you're just going to sprinkle the sugar mixture on top. Try to do it as evenly as possible, kind of pat it in there. Then you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And I like my bacon pretty overcooked. So I think I cooked mine for about 30 minutes, but you could do 20, 25, just depending on how you like your bacon. But this is what it looked like when it came out. I let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then you can eat it. And I know the camera, it kind of looks burnt, but it definitely wasn't burnt. It was perfect. This was really good, and I definitely will be making this again. If you want to see more recipes, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.